In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to see Google account password on laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So seeing password on laptop is really easy. For that, open Chrome browser and then tap on these three dots from the top right corner. Once we tap on it, go to the settings from bottom. Once we go here, go to the autofill and passwords option, and then we need to click on Google Password Manager. Once we click on it, then you will see multiple passwords here. I want to see my Google account password. So for that, I'll simply click on google.com and then we need to enter our laptop's pin. So I just need to enter my laptop pin here. Once we enter it, then it will show you your username of Google account. So this is the username of my account. If I want to see my password, then for that I just need to tap on this eye icon and then I'll be able to see my password here. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.